brand new Mansfield Alto that replaced the American Standard Rumson. Apparently, Mansfield quit using the ballcock style fill valves and equips every toilet they make pretty much nowadays with the Fluidmaster 400A. Oops. The reason the toilet before was changed out was because there's some ventilation issues here, and when the washing machine goes on its spin cycle, and it starts draining, the water gets sucked out of the toilet bowl. Well, when I went to flush the other toilet bowl, for some reason, because of the way the American Standard is designed, it seems to have a bit of a shallow bowl. It would, either the water wouldn't get down when it was all the way down to just the trap pipe, or sometimes when I flushed it while the washing machine was still on its spin cycle, the toilet would back up. Last Sunday I flushed it, and I couldn't stop it. It just happened so fast, it just massively overflowed. And I figured that this type of toilet might handle this situation better. So I decided to go with the Alto. And as for the American Standard Rumson, it's a shame. It was a nice toilet and had a good bowl runs, but I'm going to be giving it away. And I feel like this toilet will work better in this type of situation. So that's all.